video, and first of all, Happy New Year's! I wonder how 2018 has been for you guys. For me, a lot of good things has happened and I'm looking forward for 2019 and I can feel it, it's gonna be a great year. Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Candice and I welcome you to join the family simply by clicking the subscription button below. Button below. It's a small family as of now, but I love each and every one of you and thank you for all of the views. Thank you for taking out your times and just watching all these videos that I create. I really appreciate it and I encourage you guys to leave comments down below so that I will know what you guys like, what you guys don't like, what I can improve, or what kind of contents that you guys want to see. And without further ado, let's roll the intro and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this New Year creative look. Let's go! guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future uploads. Until next time, wait. Happy New Year, guys! Until next time, bye! Welcome to today's video. My name is Candice. Forgot what I was saying.